Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name, guys. Right, so today in this lesson I want to show you some a very nice gospel arpeggios that pianists do use. So I will do this in the key of C, and I'll try to cover some other keys also. All right, so let's look at this in the key of C. So there are some that I've taught already on the piano before. There are some of them I've taught on the piano before, on the channel rather before. So like this one, so that's your 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, right? So if you do not watch that before, you can comment in the comment section, so I'll give you the link. But today I want to do one like this. There's one we'll play like this. There's one. Or okay, so I'm going to show you both now. So all right. So I'm in the key of C. Right? So the first one goes like this. We have a I will just call the notes as it's happening dramatically. So we have a C, G, and then C. So we have a then. So we have something like this. C, G, C, D, E, G, and then C. So everything goes together first, straight off to the right hand. So we have a pa 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 pa, then pa 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 pa. So you hear that a lot, huh? So it goes. Then together we now have A on the left, F on the right, going up together to A, and we have on the left, so I'll call them now simultaneously. On the left you have a and F, then B and G, then it goes back to A and F, then you come to F and D, forget rice, sorry. that abbreviation doesn't make, okay, so it doesn't make it. So we have a then F and D, G and E, pa pa pa. Okay, F and D to G and E to A and F. Then you land back on G and E, right? So together we have a. And then the second, that's the first one. So the second one is like this. So I'll show you the second one now. But before then, I want to tell you, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, it's a over 2 hours course where I taught how to use a different type of 7th chords. There are a lot of 7 chords you might think you know, but you might just really don't know them, right? So you need to get a course to learn them and also how to apply them. Everything is over 2 hours, so you imagine what I would have done then. Inside that, and you will see my fingers clearly. You see the virtual skin, the virtual keyboard, right? You see that you can get you get the MIDI files and everything, and it goes for just 7,500 naira for people in Nigeria, right? And also for people abroad, it's just $12. So if you don't get that, you can use the check the about section of this channel. You see my seller store link there. You can click the link to buy there. Or if you're in Nigeria, you can buy directly from me. Just check the homepage of the channel for my WhatsApp contact, or check it in the comment section. If I don't put it there, you can ask for it. Right? So you can chat me on WhatsApp also to buy directly. If you're in US, UK, you can still buy directly. Yeah, but then if you are in places like Ghana and Co, just buy. Kenya, you can buy directly on the channel. So let me show you the second one now. So the second one goes like this. So you see that we do C, G, C, D, E, G and B, and then we'll do that over. Then we now start repeating. So that's the first one: C, G, C, D, E, G and B. Then we now start doing just C on the left, then D, E, G, B, and it keeps going like that. D. So you just keep pressing C with your left hand. Then the right hand keeps holding the D, E, G, and B. So you can go over that. Or you can do on the right hand you can do D, E, G, and A. So you can do any one of that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for many more lessons like this. We have about 700 of them. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends to subscribe. This channel gotta hit 100K this year. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.